In this video, I'll show you how to connect Microsoft Teams with Google Calendar so you can manage meetings more easily and avoid scheduling conflicts. Before we start, it's important to know that Microsoft Teams and Google Calendar don't have a direct, built-in sync. However, you can still connect them using a few simple workarounds that work really well. First, make sure you're signed in to both your Microsoft Teams account and your Google account. The easiest method is to use meeting links. When you schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams, copy the Teams meeting link. Then open Google Calendar, create a new event, and paste the Teams meeting link into the description or location field. Save the event, and now your Google Calendar entry will include the Teams meeting details. Another option is to subscribe to your Microsoft Calendar in Google Calendar. Start by opening Microsoft Outlook on the web. Go to Settings, then Calendar, and look for the option to share or publish your calendar. Copy the calendar link provided. Next, open Google Calendar. Click the plus icon next to other calendars and choose from URL. Paste the Outlook calendar link and add it. This allows your Microsoft Calendar, including Teams meetings, to appear in Google Calendar as read-only events. If you want automatic two-way syncing, you can use third-party tools like Calendar Sync services. These tools can keep Microsoft Teams and Google Calendar updated automatically, but they may require admin approval or a paid subscription, depending on the service. Keep in mind that permissions and organization policies can affect which options are available to you. If something doesn't work, you may need to contact your IT administrator. And that's how you can connect Microsoft Teams to Google Calendar using simple and practical methods. This setup helps you stay organized and ensures you never miss a meeting. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Leave a comment below if you'd like more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials.